Hey there, this video is going to give you a nice brief walkthrough into using Landbot, Conversion Hero and LeadByte in order to make your Landbot flow FCC one-to-one compliant. Now Landbot has a plethora of advanced settings you could use here, but in this example we're going to be redirecting through to Conversion Hero, and Conversion Hero will handle the consent capture and the lead delivery into LeadByte. We found this to be the simplest and the quickest to get running. So our lead starts, they fill out their form, and then they are redirected through to Conversion Hero through the use of this code block. It might look a little bit complicated at first, but in essence, it's just telling Landbot where to send the information. Now, the beginning portion of this URL is taken from Conversion Hero. So under the posting subsection of my campaign, I take this and I add it to my code here, question mark, and it's followed by all the form fields I've collected in my flow so far. Now the form or the field name has to be in LeadByte's field format, as once it's redirected to Conversion Hero uses this field format to do the various checks and submissions into LeadByte. So if you use LeadByte's form fields here, everything runs nice and smoothly. The Landbot field names are collected through going to your form. So you can see I've got at first name, at last name, at town city, and those come from your form. Click on the row itself and scroll to the bottom and you see where the answers are being saved. Same again for town city, you can see it's at town city. Now let's get an example of this working. Let's publish and then let's copy that link and open it up. So on my LeadByte campaign, I have 3 buyers. One of these buyers only accepts leads from Chester. So in order to get all 3 buyers, we're going to use the town and city of Chester. So next, we have the form fill here. So now we hit Chester. And then once I hit submit, you'll see us redirect from the Landbot example through to Conversion Hero, where we'll see our consent options. There we go. You can see I've got one-to-one consent. On this example, let's just choose buyer 3 and buyer 1. We'll submit and agree, and we're going to get redirected through to a default thank you page. Now, this can be customized, but I haven't done for the example just for ease. So if I refresh this lead screen, we'll see a new lead come through. And you can see it's been sold to buyer 1 and buyer 3 as we confirmed. If I look at the record summary, you can see I've got Chester, I've got my email address, I've got my name. Everything I submitted has been sent through to LeadByte as we'd want. Let's do another example. This time we won't be using Chester as our town and city. There we go, so Sam. This time we'll use Berry, and if we hit submit once more, we'll get redirected to Conversion Hero, and we only have the 2 buyers to choose from, as number 3 only wanted leads from Chester. Let's just choose buyer 2 for this example. We'll hit submit. We send it through to LeadByte, and you can see it's only been sold to buyer 2, as that's the only thing that was opted into. Now, multiple and single sell are all set up based on the campaign settings. For this example, I've just done standard delivery, so you can see how the flow works. Now, I got the code here from Landbot support. However, it is available on their documentation, but their support is fantastic. I can't recommend it enough. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to Conversion Hero or to LeadByte. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day.